Next, we're in El Paso, Texas, where 29-year-old Myra Lopez is before Judge Bonnie Rangel for a probation status update. 3 years earlier, Lopez, a divorced mother of 5 young children, was charged with 1 count of unauthorized use of a vehicle after she refused to return a car she borrowed from her then-boyfriend. She pled guilty, and Judge Rangel deferred her sentence under the condition that if she completed 5 years of probation without reoffending, she could apply to have those records sealed. During the first 2 years, however, Lopez struggled, violating her probation by repeatedly testing positive for marijuana. Eventually, she made progress when a hair follicle test showed she had been drug-free for 6 months.
Miss Lopez, I'm very proud of you.
Thank you.
Very proud of you. As angry as I've been at you many a time, I am very, extremely proud of you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
But today, 6 weeks later, Lopez has been summoned to court after again testing positive for marijuana. Judge Rangel is not happy.
You gotta go to jail, Miss Lopez. You know what you're doing is illegal. It's not like this is the first time we've had this conversation.
I understand.
No, you don't understand. You're leaving 5 children blowing out in the wind because you like to smoke pot. Do you think it's okay to do marijuana, Miss Myra, still? After all these years with me?
Can I be completely honest with you, ma'am?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, I do. It helps me. My children are not left unfed. I've had CPS come in for the same reason. I'm not neglecting them. They're well dressed, they're well fed, my house is clean. I'm on top of everything I'm supposed to be. It's just when I get inside my head, I have nobody to talk to about it. So my next coping skill is marijuana or CBD.
Are you ready to get better and stay in jail for a while until we put you in a facility, Miss Lopez? It could be 6 to 9 months.
That's fine with me. I'll do whatever I have to do at this point, because I do want a better life for my children. I don't want the cycle to continue.
Do you have a little bit of money to consult a family lawyer?
The only thing I have is honestly like $100 to my name as we speak right now.
Lopez seems resolved that going to jail is her best shot at getting help. Until...
Your Honor, may I interrupt?
Defense attorney Teresa Caballero, who's in the virtual courtroom waiting for another client's hearing, speaks up.
Your Honor, I would like to take this case pro bono if the client would have my representation.
Miss Lopez, are you open to that? Ms. Caballero is one of the best attorneys in El Paso County, and she has got the most generous heart. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome, Ms. Lopez. You know, these women are unskilled, and then they have children, and then life falls apart. And if they go to jail, basically the children are going to be orphaned in a lot of cases. So we're going to have to map out a plan that takes into consideration all of these very deep flaws.
Perfect. Okay, I'll reset this for 2 weeks. I'll let you sing your magic. And Ms. Caballero, once again, thank you so very much for this.
Thank you, guys.
With her new lawyer's help, Lopez avoided jail time. She's working on getting her GED, and she has a part-time job. She's also been drug-free for 4 months. Thanks for being a fan of CourtCam. Subscribe to A&E to never miss a new video and catch full episodes on aetv.com.